let's see how to duplicate text in Canva. And for your information, why people duplicate text in Canva, it's because to maintain its style consistency, quickly replicating text with the same font, size, color, and also effects to maintain a cohesive design. Designers also often duplicate text boxes to ensure the same style is applied across multiple sections. So, for you to able to duplicate your text in your Canva, you just have to navigate to your project section and choose a design that you wanted to duplicate a text. So, for example, I wanted this design, and then go to the page that you wanted to duplicate a text. So, for example, in this page 3, I wanted to duplicate this text. So I just have to click this and just simply click this plus with the page icon for you to duplicate the text. And for the second option, you can just have to do it by controlling on your keyboard by clicking on the specific text you wanted to duplicate, then hold your control and then select the C key on your keyboard for you to copy it. And then for you to duplicate it, just hold on the control key again and then select the V letter on your keyboard. And there you have it. You already duplicate text in Canva. See you soon.